Click in here. You need to scroll and find an item called Google. It may be called Google Accounts. Click here. Then look, here the menu all services. Look here, now scroll carefully. And you need to find a setting called personalization taking into account general data. Click on this line. And now you will be surprised, all these sliders, they will be enabled for you. And here, by the way, each smartphone will have different applications. For example, I have 5 sliders here. Someone may have 7, 8, 10, someone may have only 3 or 2. Below it is written very briefly. Well, in principle, you can look in more detail, but everything is already clear in that it is written here that we allow the Google application to use the data on the device in order to allegedly make Android better. Here ask yourself, well, how will Android become better if it collects information about your actions on your smartphone? And why should I send personal information? It is not clear where, it is not clear to whom. Look, it is all very simple. Access to location, that is, determination via GPS in hidden mode, even when your GPS is turned off. Well, and of course, data exchange. If this setting is enabled, then wherever you are, you will have constant surveillance of your specific location. Well, perhaps you have noticed that you pass by some establishment, and you get a message on the internet that you are nearby. In general, I, of course, turn this off for myself. Gmail is again your email, your accounts, everything that you send to someone, again, is sent to someone else. In general, we also turn off Google Chrome. This is if you are looking for something in browsers. Again, why should someone know what I enter into my browsers? In general, we also turn it off, but here it is generally very interesting. Contacts on the device. That is, imagine that you ask yourself perhaps the question, where do other people's phone numbers come from? Well, I think that everyone has had this happen, that they call from unknown numbers. Well, and on the other line, of course, in most cases there are scammers. In general, of course, I turn this off. And also external media. This especially concerns your flash drives, your cards, and in principle the internal memory of the phone. Everything that you store. That is, this is access, in principle, to everything. To all files, to all audio, video, or whatever else you store on your smartphones. In general, we turn off everything here. Firstly, the phone will work better, faster, will discharge less, and plus you will get rid of numerous surveillance from all these applications.